Smith loses that one down leg side, and Ash Gardner's not going to miss out on those.
What was the noise the old format? Was it? Just drifting leg, down leg side, Smith. Just easy pickings. That's the boundary they don't want early in the over.
Oh, that is just brutal kick. It's on the breeze. It's getting faster as it's flying through the air.
Shots like these all season from Ash Gardner, accumulating those 300 runs. And this outfield has just...
So she gets the second look at it after the wide, and that's the price you pay, unfortunately. So Kara be kicking herself, and it's a big over for the Sixers, 2 for 108.
Catch that.
Hammock through another boundary.
Fine line, Lizelle, being too close that you can't react.
See, that's a tough thing. I can't be too close. If she really nicks that, it's going to fly, and I don't have...
Hobart.
Yep.
Adelaide Wednesday.
Yep. That's hit hard and high and long enough from Ash Gardner. And it's her second 6, and they're going to put this one in the books quickly.
Well, she didn't look like she got all of that. She's just chunked that. Oh, this boundary, her strength in the wind, 62 metres. Partnership of 87.
It's something that the Sixers have been able to do, haven't they? They've had good partnerships and huge partnerships.
Yeah. If you're scoring an 80+, 100+ partnership in T20 cricket,
you're winning most games.